Hello there, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to see how you can create left and right floating banner ads using simple HTML and CSS. Floating ads can help a publisher to boost CPM and CTR and generate more income from any ads network. First of all, log into your Blogger account, then go to Edit HTML. Now, look for close head tag. Here, copy this following CSS, then place it there. If you are WordPress user, you also do same, add the CSS in above close head tag. Next, add this following HTML codes in body tag. Here in the code, replace with your own ads code. And the ads should be vertical and responsive, so the ads work properly. Finally, save your theme. Now refresh your page, as you can see it's floating on the left and right side of the web page. If we click the close button, then the ads will disappear easily. And if you want to customize, like remove the border or like to add background, then you can easily, through edit the CSS. That's all. I hope this video was useful.